According to the most recent government estimates, Kenya loses about 12,000 of its 4.6 million hectares of forest land each year due to a combination of rising demand for wood, fuel and charcoal. We meet Miss Jacinta Karo-Kihas, whose mission to protect forests was inspired by the biblical lesson of the conversion of Saul to Paul, to turn those who log trees for firewood, charcoal and timber into protectors of forests. Miss Karo-Kihas is a reformed woman. In her own words, the 48-year-old lady was well-known, notorious charcoal burner in Kithaka village within North Imenti sub-county. Later, she started and embraced wildlife and environmental conservation, a path she confesses was not easy to walk.
Kazi yangu ya mbeleni ilikuwa ni ya kuvunja kuni, na saa hii wakati tangu nianze hii maneno ya mbegu nimesaidika kiwango kikubwa. Ninashukuru ITF, ninashukuru CFA, ninawashukuru wote kwa jumla. Mimi nakuwa naokota ile threatened species ya hapa misituni yetu, ile miti ambayo ilipotea kisamani.
Since embarking on her new mission, she has never looked back and is today teaming up with locals to promote proper agroforestry practices and reforestation by growing indigenous tree seedlings and engaging in environmental conservation awareness in the region.
Tangu ITF wakuje ndio tumejua umuhimu wake, wakatufunza kufyeka hii rantana. Tulikuwa na rantana kwa msitu yetu, sasa tumefyeka rantana, tunapanda hii miti yetu ya threatened species. Kuna miti mingi ambayo tunajaribu mahali tunaendanga tukiangalia mti unafaa, tunaona hiyo ni ile threatened haionekani, tunajaribu kuirudisha.
Lower and Upper Imenti Forest is designated as a World Heritage Site, scientific and cultural organization. It is a habitat that also teems with elephants, primates and a wide variety of bird species.
Wanyama wanarudi kama kawaida, kama nyuki, kuna hizi ndovu, kuna hizi tubiri.
Through the partnership with other forestry organizations and with the help from members of Rumbeka Forest Protection and Conservation Lobby, indigenous tree seeds which respond well to erratic weather and are resistant to pests and diseases have been identified.
Napanda miti ya avocado, napanda makandamia, kuko na kahawa, kuko na version, hiyo yote napanda. Kwa hiyo nikipanda, ikikuwa napata mazao, nikiuza napata pesa, na nunulia watoto wangu chakula.
The venture aims to identify endangered indigenous Kenyan tree species while increasing awareness of the local communities and to establish a seed bank with special focus on rare species, helping to increase the biodiversity of reforestation programs in Meru County. The bank is currently home to a variety of seeds of tree species such as acacia, abyssinica, agarsu moringa, African olive, red stinkwood, Meru oak, among others. Through the venture, members of Rumbeka Forest Protection and Conservation Lobby have been incorporated in an ambitious project to reclaim parts degraded by the invasive and highly destructive Lantana Camara plant.
Tukapanda 100 hectares. Hiyo nayo imekuwa recovered kabisa. Msitu umejaa na ni msitu tele. Ni kama imesalia tu kitu kama 118 ama juu ama zaidi ndizo hectares zile ambazo zimebakia.
Growing more indigenous trees in the forest besides restoring soil fertility also has diverse uses as fodder and sources of medicinal ingredients.
And we also do agroforestry for the woodlots so that the communities can ease the pressure on the forest. And we also take care of their livelihoods through the fruit trees to improve the livelihoods of the communities.
I was able to cater for my fee. I was able to feed my family because initially there was not enough produce. But because of the portion that we are getting from the forest, we are having a lot to feed the family and also to cater the student in school.
With the sensitization, most communities have now found an alternative sources of livelihoods that do not destroy the forest. Wanjiro Minor, K24 Evening Edition.